Indiana State football is on the air as tonight the Sycamores look to put the 2017 season officially behind them. It's been a losing skid of 14 games for Indiana State, which dates back 677 days since the last time Indiana State tasted victory. And they have a saying around this program, not just all in, but earn it today. The Sycamores look to earn that first victory of the season tonight and give Coach Mallory his first win as an Indiana State head coach.
Ball spotted, right middle. Kilpatrick, chest high snap. Again, fakes the handoff, goes far left side. He's to the 20 at the numbers, towards the sideline. Toe tapping his way. He gets all the way down to the 5. It is a gain of 23 for Jaleel Kilpatrick. He'll hand off the keys, up into the end zone. Touchdown, Indiana State. The Sycamores put up 6 on the first drive of the 2018 season. Harris again with Brinson now to his near left hip as the ball spotted near left hash. So they go right to left, trailing 7-0 with 5:06 left. Harris is sacked in the backfield. Harris was ate up, but Noke Malala was there. And CUNY back to punt it. No, he lost it, and he's just got a fall on it at the 2-yard line. Near right hash, 2:45 left, 7-0 lead Indiana State. Kilpatrick, quarterback keeper near right side, towards the pylon, dives, and he's in. Touchdown Indiana State. Ooh, nice punt, swirling punt. Barrett at the 35, and he's bulldozed. Rondell Green. Caton in motion, left to right. Just high snap to Kilpatrick. Looks to throw, it's a screen. McCoy catches it. He had 2 white jerseys around him. He busts out of the tackle, comes to the 20, continuing to stiff arm a man, and he takes another hit out of bounds, and it's going to be out at 15 yards. Indiana State leads 14-0 over Quincy. Kilpatrick, knee-high snap, hand off to McCoy, near left side, open field 20. He's to the 15, one man to beat, stiffs arm him to the 10, and he's dragged down at the 8-yard line. It's a hand off to McCoy again, to the 5. He's looking to the pylon near sideline. He's in! Titus McCoy with his first career touchdown. It's 20-0. Again, the power eye. Harris under center. Takes the snap, hands it off. Brinson rushing towards the goal line, and he's met and pushed back. Indiana State will take over on downs. Indiana State maintains the shutout. That has that physical presence about him. Kilpatrick will give it to Cove again, near right side. He's on an open hole, spins his way into the end zone. Christian Covington. Fort Wayne Snyder smiling big time tonight.
And there's an example of why Curt Mallory's been smiling as he's been signing all these players here since he's taken over. Is, you know, you're getting glimpses of a lot of young guys that have chances to be very good football players at Indiana State, and they happen a lot faster.
Quincy to punt with 5:20 left. Coming in is Dakota Caton. Catches it with 2 hands high on his face mask at the 30. Continues the blister to the 50. He's into Quincy territory, 40. One man to beat. Dakota Caton to the house. The Solomon, Indiana native, Dakota Caton, goes all the way for the touchdown.
Right at the 50-yard line.
Coach Mallory gets the water bath, his first win, as he's mobbed by his blue jersey family members, as every Sycamore comes over to give Coach Mallory a hug, and he's going to enjoy that water bath. Final score, Indiana State 49, Quincy 0.